I want to get this object because it looks a little bit weird. So let's actually use find one and use the query name is John. So now I stored this object in a variable by using find one. So now I want to update this name and let's make it a real account name, not a person name. So this data, it's now in this object, but it's not in the database. So if I do .find, I still see John. So what I can do here, I can use .save. And the reason why it will work, because my object A has the object ID, the real object ID. And object ID, it's a unique identifier. So it says matched. So that's basically is telling me that the update was successful. But I still don't trust. I want to do that find and see my new name, investment. Okay, so that's great. I updated it. Now I can also use find with a query, obviously, something like that. It's a plural accounts. That's why it didn't work the first time. The name of the collection was different. It needs to have an S. And then I can use update. With update, we need a second object and $set. That's just a Mongo syntax. And it takes an object that will update. Let's make A equals 2. So again, we see this unmodified one. It's a good sign. But let's confirm. Okay, so when I do 1 now, it's not working because there is no such documents. If I do 2, it's working. And then we did save. We can do insert. This would create a new object with a new ID. So now we have 2 objects. And then I can delete selectively by using a query. Okay, so now if I do find all, which is just a find without an object or with an empty object, I would not see investment, I would not see A equals 2. And there are more things to the query. It's not just a plain object. You can have greater than, less than, you can have where, and even a functions, but we're not going to cover them for now. For now, we just covered insertion, which is creation, and then reading and deletion and updates.